guys, it's your girl Sade D, the business bestie, and I am back with another one. So this week, or if you've been paying attention, everything about social media in general, but especially Instagram, is all strategy. So we're going to talk about something that a lot of people don't think about with their business Instagram account, and that is who to follow, why, and what it all means. How is it all connected? So today we're going to talk about the strategy behind who you're following on Instagram, because it does matter. So stay tuned if you want to know who to follow and why, and how it will benefit your business Instagram account. Okay, so if you're like most people, when they get on Instagram and they have their business Instagram account, they're like, okay, I'm gonna follow all my celebrity faves, and I'm gonna follow all my high school friends, and I'm just gonna follow just all these random people, right? But there is no strategy behind who you're following. You're just following a bunch of people who you think may follow back, or a bunch of people who you think are interesting. Don't do it like that. There's a whole strategy behind who you should follow on Instagram and how it can tell the algorithm, one of them, who to show your account to. So, let's start from the top. When you're trying to figure out who to follow on Instagram, follow larger accounts that are in your niche or in your industry. They must be somehow, a roundabout way related to you or your product offerings. So, for example, I think I used this one before in another video, if you are selling shoes or clothes, apparel, whatever it is, you will want to follow larger accounts that are very influential on Instagram, like Pretty Little Things or Fashion Nova. That's the one. Those type of accounts, they're influential accounts on Instagram. They're pretty much driven by Instagram. So if you have an apparel business, you're selling clothes, you're selling accessories, etc., etc., you're going to want to follow large accounts like that. Now, you don't want to just stop there, because they're at millions of followers, right? So you want to kind of follow a breakdown of different tiers, and when I say tiers, different sizes of these same type of accounts. So there's your million follower accounts, your Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova. And then as you come down closer to your follower count, you're going to branch out and continue to follow those accounts that are similar to yours. So you want to follow anywhere from 250 followers to maybe 500,000 followers, accounts in that same genre. Then you break it down a little bit further. You want to do the 50 to 100, and then you want to do one or two of the 1,000 to 10,000 follower accounts that are related to your niche. Now, what this does is it tells that particular algorithm, okay, this account is either related to or interested in this type of content. And it will start to suggest your account to accounts that are following those larger accounts that you are following, because it assumes that if they are interested in these large accounts, your account must be similar, or you must be interested in that same type of content. So they're going to suggest it to those followers as well. Now, what this does for you is it kind of siphons off, I guess for the lack of a better phrase, followers from those large accounts, and shows them like, hey, there's a smaller account that may be offering something very similar to what Fashion Nova or Pretty Little Things is offering. Let me check them out. Let me see if they're interesting. And that's your chance to make that impression and make that connection with somebody new. Are you stealing followers from these large accounts? No, because I mean, people follow multiple accounts every day. Like, I hate when I hear people saying like, oh, someone's stealing my followers. And it's just like, how? We can follow multiple accounts. So you want to tap into that audience, because you know that they're interested in apparel. You know that they're interested in accessories. You have to be very strategic in who you follow so that you can get that attention to your account. Now, when you get that attention to your account, it's up to you on whether they stay or not. I've done a deep dive on how to optimize your bio, how to optimize your, your full profile, so that when they get there, they know that they're in the right place, and they know that, okay, this account is going to be offering content of value to me. I hope that kind of clears up what I meant when I was saying, okay, make sure that you're following like accounts, make sure that you're following similar accounts. It's not to siphon off their followers, and it's not to do anything sneaky. It's literally to tell the algorithm who you're interested in them suggesting your content to. The other thing that I would suggest, when you do follow these accounts, genuinely engage with their content. Genuinely offer something of value in the comment section on these large accounts, and try to be around, the first group of people to actually comment, so that your comment bubbles up to the top, because your potential clients and customers are there. You know that they are there. So when you offer genuine comments that add value, or that at least kind of spark a thought process, then they're going to now look at your account and be like, okay, who is this? Who is this account? What are they all about? And when they come to your account, again, that optimized profile, that optimized bio is going to sell them on what you have to offer. So it's not about being sneaky or stealing followers. It's about literally having a strategy on who you follow and how you get to your target audience. So with that being said, go do an audit on who you're following on Instagram, and make sure that your bio is ready for those new eyes when you do start to employ these strategies. So I hope this helps, and I wish growth on your Instagram account. If you like what you heard today, go ahead and click the subscribe button and share it with a friend or a fellow business bestie who is looking to grow on Instagram. Until next time, later.